Hey everyone, for this video, I will show you how to add a subdomain to your Namecheap. First, go to your Namecheap account, then click Hosting List on the left sidebar, then copy your IP address. Now click on Domain List, then find the domain that you want to use. Then click on the arrow and click on Manage. Now click the Advanced DNS tab at the top. Scroll down to Host Records and click Add New Records. For the type, select a record. In the host field, enter your subdomain name. Then in the value field, enter the IP address you copied earlier. Set TTL to automatic and click the green check mark to save. You can also make a subdomain as CNAME record if you're pointing to another domain. Just put the domain on the value part, then click the check mark. And that's it. You now have a subdomain for your domains. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.